Hey, partner. Hey, buddy. Hey!
On May 13th, 2026, Marion County Deputy Robert Fitch responded to a suspicious person call in Dunallen, Florida.
Hey, partner. Hey, buddy. Hey! '67, '62 Marion. He's signal 55.
26.
Hispanic, male, green shirt. He's running through the woods right now. I believe he's got a knife. Come here now!
26. HLB 1033 for now. Current any unit in the area of 11770 Northwest 11th Place, signal 13 India, signal 55.
Get your hands now!
67, 62 is advising. Hispanic male, green shirt, running through woods with knife. Back to
Yeah.
background 10-9.
51.
51. Lima 2199.
201.
26, 1039.
Becky, did he say that the subject tried to stab him?
That's 10-4.
He had something in his hand. I can't confirm if it was a knife, but I was on the ground and he was steady hitting my chest. But my vest got it.
26.
Come here now! Put your hands up! The subject's crossing the road right now. He's got something in his left hand. I can't tell what it is. Lay down on the ground now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Drop what you got and get on the ground now! He's got a knife. He's got a knife. Get on the ground now!
Hold the facial mask.
He's got a knife. Yeah, because he come at me fast. I almost shot him earlier. Get on the ground!
Get on the ground! Get on your stomach! Get on your
Watch that
stomach!
knife.
Get on your stomach!
Watch the knife.
Put your hands behind your back! Hands behind your back! Don't
Don't reach for anything!
Don't even move!
I'm gonna kick that knife
Don't
away.
even move! If you move and you grab that
Two
knife,
knives.
you're gonna get shot. Do you understand
I'll kick the knives away.
I don't care who you grab.
Wait
for backup! Wait for backup! I'm by myself! I'm by myself! If you move, you're gonna get tased. Do you understand? I'm by myself. Why are you calling for backup?
Because you were trying
60, you can, yeah, we got him detained.
I should have killed you. You know that, right? I should have killed you.
Okay.
You're lucky I didn't. You know that, right? You should thank God for that. I would have killed you in your neck. I would have stabbed you in your neck.
Deputy Fitch survived. His bulletproof vest likely saved his life. In the back of the patrol car, Medina Marquez told deputies, "I should have killed you. You know that, right?" At his first court appearance, his criminal history, including prior convictions for resisting an officer with violence and battery on a law enforcement officer, was read aloud in court. He was charged with attempted murder of a law enforcement officer, providing false identification, and resisting without violence, and is being held without bond. His felony arraignment is scheduled for June 16th, 2026. The attack occurred 2 days before National Peace Officers Memorial Day. Deputy Fitch is expected to return to duty when he is ready.